Hi mga sisi, mga bye! We just come home from Walmart. So this is my, we're gonna do a haul today, but kind of small. Yeah. So we're gonna start one of them. So I have here, actually I want to start this one. So I have here strawberries. Comment down below if you like strawberries. And I put chocolate and chocolate. Here is biscuits. This is kind of different ones, but the two of them is not different. This is the same one, biscuit. And this is different biscuit brands. It's a cinnamon rolls. I like the color. And here I have a Bunch of Crunch dessert toppers. They're good. And here I have butter. I can't believe it's not butter. Get it? And here I have syrup for a pancake. Put it in the side for a minute. And tilapia, my favorite. Not really. This is what tilapia looks like in a pulp. And there's 2 packs of Cheerios. Beach Cheerios. There's 2 of them. There's one over here and 2. For a grandma size. And toilet papers. Sausage. The different kind of ones here. And iPad. I forgot what I named it. You can hold it by phone, cameras, and any different kind of things. An Apple Charge. Mine. Ooh. Good. Oh, good. It's hard to open. This is pork. Yeah, pork shoulder picnic chair. Okay, half of me. Sorry. And here I have a sausage again. And oh yeah, Junior's little car. My dad buys it from Junior. And a drink, my favorite one, pink lemonade. They're good. And the last one is an ice cream. There's different kind of flavors. There's strawberry, I think, vanilla, and chocolate. And you can use this thing with the topping from the ice cream. So if there's an ice cream inside of this thing, you can use the thing to make a topping with the ice cream. So, and guys, I'm gonna show you what my tripod looks like. So we're gonna get started. I already opened it. Sorry. So I see this the first that it's gonna put over here for gonna fall down. So I see this one. Oh, I think this is the phone. You can just hold the phone, and then this is the camera. So yeah, I'm gonna put it over here, not too far away. And the next one is, ooh, yay, tripod. Yay. So this is a 50-inch digital camera tripod. I'm gonna open the leg. This is the extender. You can open this thing or close it. just can't close it right now. So if you like close it, it'll just stay put, and it will do this. I'm gonna open all of them so you can see. Oh, that is tender. Ooh, so good. Oh yeah, you have to lock it so it will like stand. There. It's kind of hard to close. This is how you close it. You have to this, the other one, and the other one. Eesh. There. Perfect. Oh no. They're not the same height. Okay, there. Perfect. And this is. Oh yeah. I'm gonna get my camera so you can see. And there's also the holding thing in here, the camera holding, so it doesn't fall. I'm gonna show you. Okay. Here's the camera. You already seen this. I did a haul of my camera. And yeah, I just need to find the hole. So I'm gonna put the hole. This is the hole. And put it in that gold thing. And to be careful so it doesn't fall. Or doesn't break it. It might take a long time. It might take a wiggly woggly. I'm gonna make it tighter. So this is how it looks like. If you need, okay, there. You can do this anytime if you want to make a video. You can even look. Oh gosh. Up, down, side. And you can even make it up. No, you can't even. Oh, I locked it. Okay, then. You can even make it. Put it up. And this is the lock button or the turn button. Not really a button. It's just like a screw or something. It depends how long you want to do a thing to do it. So. This is my whole setup, guys. My tripod's setup. I turned the camera on so you can see. You can see mom. You can see my brother. You can see my bed. Guys, I will try to put on my phone in this thing. I'll try. I'm just gonna say my phone. This is for my phone, guys. I'm gonna put it. This is how it looks like. Put it the same thing as I did from the camera. Oh. Now I'm gonna put my other phone. So this is how it looks like. My mom just helped me to put the phone in because it was hard to put the phone. So this is how it looks like. The setup of the phone. The mute is gone. Yeah. This is how it looks like. Why is there green over here? And there's even green. Oh, I know. To make it look straight, something. Like a. I got this thing for $14, guys, in Walmart. I love this thing. Hi, Jim and Laura, Ate Janelle's sister, and Papa Orly. I know you always watch my videos all the time. And I just want to shout out you and all my subscribers who keeps watching my videos and the new subscribers. Thank you. Yeah. And to you, Allison Star, I shout out you. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. Bye!